Hi loves, welcome back to another pink video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you love and are into, then go ahead, click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave you all the links and handles down below. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's girly video. I'm finally back and I finally have my voice back. I was so sick last week and I couldn't even film. So I'm just starting to feel better and I decided to just jump right in and film today's video because I really wanted to share with you some super cute girly things that I recently got over the past week. I do have some items that I picked up at HomeGoods, and then I also have some Popmart surprises. Also, if you watched my last video on my Popmart unboxing for Barbie, I do have an update on that, as well as the missing Barbie with the update on how I was able to get it. And I have a very special surprise unboxing from my best friend. So I'm very excited just to share with you all the cute things that I recently got. And what better way than today that I'm starting to feel better and just cheer up my day. So let's go ahead and get started with this whole unboxing. So on my last Popmart unboxing, I unboxed this adorable crybaby and I loved her so much and I thought she was incredibly cute that I decided to go online and order this one here, which I am so glad I got my hands on this. It was sold out and then I put in my email and they notified me. So I jumped right in and got it. This one here is the Cry Baby Crying for Love, and it's the little cherry ones and they are so incredibly cute. So this one is called Love You Cherry Much. Okay, I am in love with these already. Look how stinking cute these are. So basically you get two, and what I am really loving about these is that they're not that big. I was actually worried that they were going to be about the size of this, but look at the size of this one compared to this one. So this one's definitely bigger, and these are like tiny, but they are so incredibly cute. They have the same features. They have the little crying baby face and then the little soft body with the tutu. They're very, very fuzzy, and check this out. They are magnetic. Oh my goodness, I am in love with these already. Wow. These are so cute. I'm definitely adding these to my purse as soon as I'm done with this video. So a quick update on the whole Barbie situation. Like I said, if you watched my previous video, you know what I mean. I was missing one Barbie from the entire collection. I actually ended up getting two of the Jam and Glam Barbies, and I was missing the Valette Wishes Barbie, which was my favorite, and I was really looking forward to that one, and they didn't include it. So I did reach out to Popmart, sent them an email, messages, whatnot. They apologized that they would send it out to me as soon as possible. A week went by without hearing a single thing. I had to reach back out to them. Again, it took another like 5 days for them to respond. Finally, for them to say, we're sorry, we are totally out of stock on these and we don't think we're gonna get them again. So here is $5 off your next purchase. $5? That doesn't even cover the shipping cost. I was in shock that such a huge company would offer $5 for a replacement on something that they messed up on, and that it's clearly guaranteed in their boxes, in every single box. So that being said, I was just, at that point, I was very upset. And it's too bad because Popmart has the most adorable blind boxes ever, and that's definitely not going to be the reason why I'm going to stop shopping there anymore, because I probably will. And every time they come up with something new, I will make sure I get my hands on it. But I just wish the customer service was better. But anyway, so what I did is I went ahead and I bought it from a seller that got it, and I guess they were just selling it. So I ended up buying it separately, and I guess that's just what happens. But I did get my hands on it, and I'm very excited. It doesn't matter how I got my hands on it, right? As long as I got the Barbie that I was missing and really, really wanted. It's just such a shame that they couldn't keep their word for what they say if you get two of the same one. So keep that in mind. If that ever happens to you, you probably will run into the same situation. But anyway, here is the Barbie. Look how gorgeous she is. Okay, this is definitely such a beautiful Barbie, and I'm glad I was able to get my hands on her. She is gorgeous. Everything of the detail, the features, everything. And then check this out. Her little stand has this thing here that you can turn, and she will turn just like a ballerina. So overall, it was definitely worth getting her elsewhere because I would have been very sad not to have her in my collection. So I finally have all of them in my collection, and I can finally set them up. But yeah, that was just such a shame that Popmart was not able to get that out to me. So the other day, my best friend sent me a picture of her Crocs and all her adorable charms, and I fell in love with them. I honestly have not owned a pair of Crocs for probably over 20 years, and I totally forgot how comfortable and cute they are, and I didn't even think twice, and I went ahead and I ordered a pair of Crocs because my bestie inspired me, and I ordered myself a pair of Crocs, and they are so cute, and I've been waiting to wear these, but I wanted to show them to you in camera before trying them out. But I'm so glad that my bestie Janine showed me a picture of hers, because otherwise I would not have gotten any for myself. So here are the Crocs that I got, and I also got some little charms to go with it. And these Crocs have the little like platform, and they have a pearl, which I thought was so cute. And then check out the charms that I ended up getting for the Crocs. I only got a couple. I didn't spot any other charms on their website that I really liked, but let me go ahead and show you what was the main reason that I was inspired to get these Crocs. And I'm going to unbox a very special present that my bestie Janine sent out to me for spring. So let me go ahead and grab that. Okay, here it is, and she packages everything so incredibly cute all the time. I love when I get packages from my bestie, and look how cute she packaged everything. Check this out. There is like little pink confetti inside and little stickers, like so incredibly cute. Like this is so adorable. I'm in love. She sent me some pair of charms to add to my Crocs, and I can't believe she sent this out to me because I am so in love with them. Check them out. They are two Labubus. Oh, and there's two other little charms in there too. Oh, those are so cute. Okay, so here is the pink one. Look how cute it is. This is so cute. Here's the other one. This one is so cute, and it has blush on its little cheeks. There was also these two little charms in there as well. This one here is like little frosting and then a heart. So let's put these cuties on my new Crocs. Okay, now we're talking. Check them out. They just made my Crocs look extra girly and pink, and I love these Labubus. They look so stinking cute. I'm obsessed. And the best thing about this is that my bestie also has them, so we'll be rocking them together and matching. She also sent me this beautiful top, and I love that it is almost like a turtleneck. I love these kind of tops that go all the way up to your neck. It just looks so beautiful, and it has little like a little pleated section here, which looks so beautiful. This is going to look incredibly cute with some like dressy pants. So I can't wait to rock this. This is so beautiful, bestie. So here's a quick look of the top and how it looks. I am obsessed. I love how elegant this top is. It's so pretty. And I paired it up with these beige pants, these like dressy pants from Zara, which I think goes perfect. Like I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Material's like super nice. I love it. And then I can even pair it up with my Crocs because they're pink and my top is pink. But just wanted to share with you very quickly how it looks. I am in love with it. Ooh, there is a mascara, and this one is from Rare Beauty. I've never tried her mascaras before, but I love Rare Beauty. So I'm so glad that I'm able to try this out. And look how pretty it's packaged with a pink bow. It is called the Perfect Strokes Mascara Volume Universal in black. Ooh, packaging is gorgeous. Very pretty. Let's try it out. Wow. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to try this out. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I have to show this to you. So there's two little bows, and check this out. How cute. There's like sequins, and there is a lip gloss. Oh, this is so nice and glossy. Oh, and that smells so nice. It actually smells like the Sweet Tarts. It literally does. This smells so good. I am obsessed. Wow, look at this beautiful headband. Okay, so I have a thing for headbands. I love headbands. But this one here is one of the cutest headbands I've seen. It has actual little bows with pearls all around. Look how cute this is. And then there's something here for my Labubu. She got me a little outfit for it. How cute. Me and her are like obsessed with Labubus. We're always talking back and forth about them and sending each other pictures of outfits and how we dress them up. Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. Such a perfect little outfit for spring. Check it out. How cute. And it has its own little Hello Kitty little bag. I'm in love with everything, bestie. Thank you so much. You are literally the bestest friend ever, and I'm just so blessed to have you and call you my best friend. Thank you so much, bestie. So from HomeGoods, I picked up some adorable coasters, and these are shaped like little bows. They are acrylic, and they're very thick acrylic. And they're just so pretty. The moment I saw them, I fell in love with them, and I'm so glad I got these. I should have gotten another pack, but honestly, I didn't think they were going to be this cute. And the last thing I got, I couldn't believe my eyes that I found this, because I had seen this, I think, online, and it was super expensive, but I found it at HomeGoods and it was only 20 bucks. And it is the Barbie, The Celebration of an Icon book. It is a huge book, and it has all the Barbies you can think of. I can't be any happier with this book. This is the best purchase ever. It is the most beautiful book. It is so elegant, and the pages, every single page is just to die for. Check it out. It has all the Barbie icons. It talks a little bit about Barbie, and they just go through like the years of Barbie and all the popular Barbies. So this has got to be one of the best books that I have, and I'm so glad I got this, because what better timing to get this Barbie book now that I finally have my Barbie collection. And what's great about it is that those Barbies from the Popmart collection are in here, so that kind of completes my whole collection. So that was everything for today's video. I really hope you loved it and enjoyed it. I love you all so, so much. And again, bestie, thank you so much for this incredibly adorable gift. I loved everything you sent to me, and I love you all so much. I'll see you all next time. Bye.